ARSA FFF is a male fertility supplement developed by ARSA Lifecare Private Limited, a pharmaceutical company located in India, to help men improve their chances of conception. This supplement contains a unique blend of natural and safe ingredients that work together to support sperm quality, count, and motility. Some of the key ingredients in ARSA FFF include L-carnitine, Coenzyme Q10, and Zinc, which have all been shown to have positive effects on male fertility. L-carnitine can help to improve sperm motility, while Coenzyme Q10 can protect sperm from oxidative damage. Zinc is essential for the production of healthy sperm. ARSA FFF is manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, ensuring that the product is of the highest quality and meets strict safety standards. It is also free from harmful chemicals and additives, making it a safe and effective option for men looking to improve their fertility. To use ARSA FFF, simply take 2 capsules daily with water, preferably after meals. It is recommended that you use the supplement for at least 3 months to see significant improvements in sperm quality and quantity. Overall, ARSA FFF is a reliable and effective option for men who want to increase their chances of conception. With a blend of natural ingredients and a commitment to quality and safety, ARSA Lifecare Private Limited has created a supplement that can help men achieve their fertility goals.